Hello everyone! Amazing morning to Philippines. Good morning to all people there who listen to my vlogs right now and to all people who can see me right now. Magandang umaga sa lahat ng mga tao na nakikinig at nakikita ko ngayon sa inyong mga wall. Before I start my night sleeping, here in Saudi Arabia is a nighttime. So my routine, I drink coffee from morning before I start my work, and at night I drink also coffee because I'm addicted to the coffee. So since I'm addicted to the coffee, I have a coffee. I have 3 left. I have 3 more left. So sorry for my English. This coffee is I am amazing coffee mix, and you know guys, I'm a distributor of this. So they said kung ikaw ay nagbebenta ng iyong produkto, dapat ikaw din ay marunong gumamit nito. So, dapat tikman mo siya muna. So, ito siya, si Amazing Coffee Mix with Tongkat Ali is, ang benefits nito is, kagandahan is, yung para sa mga babae, yung may mga hormonal imbalance, and then, yung gustong hirap magbawas ng weight nila. So, ito siya is sugar-free. The sugar is stevia. Yes, Ayla. I have here a beautiful girl in my side. She's listening to me while I'm doing, don't show your face, it's not allowed. She is the daughter of my boss here. She's so nice. And I'm gonna living here in this family. I will miss her and she missed me. I don't know why she's in my room right now. But I'm happy she's here with me right now. So guys, I will start this. This one is my thermos tumbler. This is the hot water. So the water is only here. So I'm gonna add one. Okay. Ta-da! I have Ayla here on my side. You know, she's assisting me. She assists me on how to make a video because she supports me on my vlogs. She told me if I gonna go to Philippines, she gonna search my YouTube vlog channel so that she gonna remember me. I love her so much, and especially also the daughter, the small sister of Ayla. It's Luna Bella. This one, guys, is a mix coffee with Tongkat Ali. So we're gonna put here. Okay. Alam nyo guys, ang coffee hindi maganda sa katawan, pero pinipili dapat natin yung iinumin natin na safe. So I recommended the I am Amazing Coffee Mix with Tongkat Ali. Ayla? Okay. It's here. Ta-da! You mix it. Yay! No need sugar, guys, because there is an stevia with this. Sobrang sarap talaga. Ang amoy niya sobrang napakabango. So I'm gonna close this, guys, because I don't want to be hot. I want to sleep with coffee. Ta-da! This is, you know, this tumbler is so very old. How many years I'm here in Saudi Arabia? 7 years. So this mug is I buy this 2020. 2020, 21, 23, 24, 25. 5 years. See, she's still here. I love this so much. So guys, if you wanted this coffee, you can message me. I have also a Facebook account, which is, my real name is Nilisa. Nilisa Espinosa Tonogan. I am a distributor worldwide. Worldwide. Mali. Sa ito siya. Dalawa na lang yung natira. So, see you guys. Thank you. Please subscribe, like, and follow my YouTube channel, guys. Thank you.